Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to do a small demonstration on Google Secret Manager. So the plan is today is to create a secret in Secret Manager using both console and CLI, and also do a demo using Python Docker image and access the Google Secret Manager. So basically, before I start this demonstration, I'll take you through a bit of the code. So here these are some of the code that I'm going to use it to create the secret using CLI. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to share everything in my GitLab. So it will be available on YouTube description section. From there, you can download everything, and then. I'm going to create a small Docker app with a secret in there, which is going to access Google BigQuery using the credential we created from the in IAM using service account. So here you can see that I'm accessing Google Secret Manager and create the necessary access through the Secret Manager. So let's start doing creating a secret manager, creating a secret in Secret Manager. So let's first of all go to Secret Manager. So you can go to Secret Manager, and then there are some dummy secret that I just created before this video. So if you wanted to create a secret from your console, there's a one called secret, create secret. Go to Secret Manager, and then you can give a name like test secret, and then you can upload a file, or you can just give us a value like, let's say I'm gonna give YouTube here, and then manually manage the locations of the this secret. I'm not going to do it because this specifically is used by the companies that let's say you can't take your data from Europe to US or some sort of a regulatory requirement, then you need to make sure that you use this policy. So you have to make sure where you save your secret file. In this demonstration it wasn't the case, so I'm not going to do that. And custom managed key versus Google managed key, so here also we don't have to do anything because we are going to use the Google managed key. And then if you want to replace your secret, let's say every 2 days, it's going to be changing like YouTube 1, YouTube 3, YouTube 4, like that, and then the rotation policy, and then notification for version changing to your pops up, so that you can track all of them in your organization. And then next, if you want to set a expiry date, and then label for better cross tracking and managing your resources. And then if you wanted to add any metadata to your secret. So we are not going to do any of these here, so we just going to create simple secret. So I'm going to click here, create secret. So it's going to create a secret. The important thing here that you need to make remember is that every time when you create or like update a secret from here, there will be a new versions coming. So let's say if I wanted to update this secret, like I can say create a new version, and then put I'm going to put YouTube 2 now. So if I add a new version, so there would be two versions. So one is the YouTube one, you can look at your secret value from here, and the second one is the from here. If I look at the second, is YouTube 2. So that's how you create a secret and managing the version. So in here, this is the path for the secret. For if you wanted to take it from the here, when you want to access your secret, this is the path that you are going to give, and with the versions as well. So this is how you can create a secret from your console, let's go to the terminal and create a one from there as well. So before I do that, I'm going to let's go to our I'm not going to delete this guy, I'll just keep it as it is, but if you are if in your console, make sure you delete this, because no point of keeping secret which you are not using. So let me go to the console. This is my Cloud Shell editor. uh, if you want to open a Cloud Shell editor, what you can do is that just Google Cloud Shell editor, and then from there go to Cloud Shell editor interface, and then from there here you can open your Cloud Shell editor, or otherwise from Cloud Shell, from here also you can directly go down and then Cloud Shell editor, you can take the Cloud Shell editor from there. Otherwise what you can do, rather than using the Cloud Shell editor, from here you can go to this activate Cloud Shell and activate as well, but the thing is that in there you only get the half of it, and you won't see the file structure that you can see it from here. So I'm going to disconnect this one and then keep this one for my, let me reconnect. Okay, and you can set whenever you want it, you need to set it up your project, you can do config for and give the project ID, or otherwise you can just from here select your project, so it's automatically going to select your project. So okay, so that's everything done, guys. So let's go to the commands that we use to create secret. So don't worry here, I'm going to share all the command how you can create a secret. So this is how you can add a secret, version adding, and this is the access the latest secret. Okay, let's start creating a secret first. So let's say I wanted to create a secret. Let me copy this. Just kind of say, go to your terminal. I'm going to paste it. You can access the same command from your when I'm sharing the from YouTube description section. I'm going to share the link to the GitHub where you can download the directly copy paste the command, guys. I'm not going to spend time wasting what you call typing these commands here. So this is the secret name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change it to I'm going to give to YouTube 5 YouTube, let's say YouTube CLI. Okay, and then replication policy, and then there's a date. This is the secret message actually at the beginning, echo in, that's the secret message that's going to go like YouTube 1 or 2, that's the secret message. And then this is the replication policy by default, and then the by default I'm saying the data file to be blank, because you can create like I said, you can create a secret using the secret file as well. So I'm going to just say no file, blank. So if I send press enter here, it will create a first secret. So it's asking to authorization for the first time. It will going to create a, you can see create versions of your secret CLI. So if I go back to secret manager, and then I'm going to refresh, you can see YouTube CLI, it will have a new message. Can you see? Yes, there's a message. So let's say you wanted to create a new versions of it, like I earlier created. So for that you can this is the to create a version. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create copy this command. This is the command to add a version. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it again, and then I need to make sure that I give the same I'm gonna change the secret value here. I'm gonna say new secret, and then our secret name is that YouTube .cli, and then there's a no data file because we are not using a file to create the secret. So if I press enter, it should get your updated version. So this is, you can see the version 2 of the secret. So if I go to secret manager again, if I refresh this page, there should be another one. So let's see the secret value. This is my new secret. That's simple, guys. So if you want, now let's say you wanted to access this secret, you can access your secret using this command. This command will give you all the list of secret in your secret manager. Then this command will give you let me run this as well to show you guys before going for access. If I put this, so it's give you all the list of everything, all the secret available in your secret manager. And then let's say describe your secret, copy that, and then let's say in my case YouTube CLI, it's going to give you a description of the one that we created, and then where's first location and everything. Let's say if you wanted to access your secret, so here you can copy this command. This is to access your secret, and then make sure you change this to secret ID. In our case it would be YouTube underscore CLI, and then the versions ID. So what's the version that you wanted to access? Let's say for our one would be version, let's just access first versions of the secret. It will give you a one, that's, you can see here it's giving you a my secret value, you can see that there. And let's say if I run the same command with the version 2, it will give you my super news secret. Can you see, guys? There's no space or anything because we didn't keep it. That's why just after the name is copying, but if you keep a space in there, you will get a down space. So if you wanted to become always like latest versions of secret, what you can do is rather than giving a version here, just give the latest. So that will always return your latest secrets. You don't have to worry about accessing all one. So another thing I just wanted to show you that I show you guys that we can create using a secret using a file as well. In here when we're creating a secret, and you can upload a file and then create it. Let me show you that through the CLI, and here would be just if you doing you just browse and updating a file, let's say uploading a file from the control. So let me do it from the console. That would be enough, I think, here. So let me clear this. Okay, clear. So I have a couple of sample file hello, and let me open those file. So let's just look at just the version 2's hello, and then I'm going to save it, and there's another file called test. Okay, so these are the files that I'm going to upload. So if you want to create using a file, let's say this is the versions that version heading. This is how you can create using a file. I'm copying this command, and then just make sure you have your file here. So in my case, I have my Mahesh file is here. So, and I'm gonna change our secret name to let's say my secret file. Okay, if I press enter, it's going to upload this Mahesh test into to our secret. So it's going to create a secret called my secret file. If I go to console and refresh, let me refresh. So there's something called my secret file here. If I go inside, there should be a one view secret value Mahesh test, and then let's say I want to replace that with a new one. So for that, adding a new one, I can just copy this command, new versions of it. So I'm gonna paste this command, and then it's gonna upload the hello file, hello text. So I'm gonna say update my file, add a new version with hello. So that should be changed to, now there should be new versions calling this one. So let's go and check, guys. Let me refresh, and if I go to secret file, there should be two versions, and the second version should be there. Okay guys, that's how you can add using the CLI using a file. And another thing that I'm going to do here, create a secret using a Python, because that's one of the important thing you guys going to do when you are working. Use a Python to create secret in your so let me take you through the command of it. Here there's a two file which I'm going to share with you guys to create a secret, and also to how to create a secret as well. So let me make it bigger so that you can see the code, guys. If it's not clear, it's just creating a secret. I've just a small file with giving my project name and secret, and then the secret value, and read the secret also. I'm just giving the name of the secret from here, Python secret, and then reading. So that's the two files, guys. So let me check whether I have already a secret called Python secret. There's nothing like that. So when you are working on, you can download this code and upload it to after you download all the code from let's say from here. Let me show you. From here you can download from zip file, or if you know how to use HTTP or SSH to clone it, and you can directly clone it to here, or otherwise you can download as a zip file and then upload it through here. After you upload it, make sure you go to the locations. In my case, I'm gonna go to the location that I have my seek files, cd secret manager ls, so cd project 4. So if I go inside, I can see two Python file. Let me open that for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create now first of all, I'm going to create a secret using that. Okay, let's go to the Python. So this is the creating code. It's just a simple code. We'll create a called Python secret, secret IDs, and then the secret value going to be my new secret. So what I'm going to do, I just going to run this file Python create.py. So it's going to create a secret. This is you can run this same Python file if you using your normal computer PowerShell or a command line, provided you have install Google CLI and have a necessary permission, guys. let me know if you want to create a video on that. I can create it. Otherwise you can use the Cloud Shell, which already have the permissions. And if I go to now secret manager and then refresh this, there should be a secret called Python secret. You can see here, and there's a message if you use my secret. Let's say if you wanted to access this secret using Python, so for that there's a read secret. Then this is just a simple command, guys. I'm going to give my project name and the secret name, and then just the accessing part. So I'm going to run that code now. Let me clear this and then ls. Then I'm going to run now read secret. So I'm going to say Python read. So you can see that my secret value is my file. So because it says secret value is and the payload, that's why it's coming this part is coming, and you can see that. Now that's how you can run from the Python, guys. Now the most important thing, so let's say if you wanted to do a secret, have a secret, like let's say your a service account, and when you're accessing your project or something, you need to access your secret a service account from here, rather than just sharing this, just uploading secret what you call uploading your file here like normal way of doing things, having your secret what you call JSON file, secret JSON file from a service account here. You can use a secret manager to keep your secret and then access it through that. So this is the code, just a small flash app which is going to read the data from Google BigQuery. This particular, let me run this code and show you how the data is going to look like. Let me go to BigQuery. So let's paste it, and then if I run it, let me run Control E. So you will see this results coming out to a file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to in here, let me go through the code. I'm going to create a secret from app.py, and then access the secret file, and then run to show that the access is available. I'm going to access Google BigQuery. So this service account which I'm going to access will have the what you call access to Google BigQuery. So after creating this Docker image, what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this Docker image through a Cloud Run and show you the results. Okay guys, so let's get started. This is simple Docker file. Don't worry guys, I'm going to share everything with you from YouTube description section. You can download it from there. Okay, let's start doing the work. So first of all, what we have to do is that we need to create the secret with this service account access to Google BigQuery. So for that, you need to go to let me open a new console. You need to go identity and access manager called IAM. So go inside, and do not share this information, guys. I'm going to hide it here, everything whatever you can see. And then go to service account and create a service account and just give a name, YouTube service. I'm going to say YouTube secret, and then YouTube secret, and then continue, and then make sure add a role. You can give your BigQuery access here, only give the BigQuery access, or otherwise go basic and give the owner. So it's up to you. I would give you like a custom role which I created, like a BigQuery access here. in case of if you wanted to use only specific access to be the least to do it the right way, you can give your data view access here, because we just have to just access the data only. So you can give one of those access, or otherwise you can just give the basic, because of if you security in mind, you should give a viewer, otherwise give the basic, so that you don't have any access issue. And then you can add another role if you want, and then go continue, and then done. After that, what you can select that particular service account is you created, and go inside and go to the key section and add a key and download that JSON file, create a service, and then you should be able to download that file. It's automatically get downloaded. You will have that key with you, which we going to go to and here and upload that. So basically, in here, let me look at what's the name that I have given here to my secret in the code. I'm gonna say that is in here in my code I have mentioned my secret as my service key. That's the name that I have given to that secret. So I'm going to the same name so that I will not have issue. Let me delete this one already created, so that I can create a new one, guys. Okay, so there's nothing like that. So I'm going to create a new secret and then give the name, and this name have to be matching here in the code, otherwise it will not able to access, guys. So you have to make sure this is matched with the secret name, and then go to upload file and upload your JSON file you just downloaded. Let me try to find that file, guys. Okay, guys, I found it. So just upload it, and then I'm not going to change any of those, guys. I'm just going to create secrets. So then your secret is created. You have your secret value and everything here. You can have a look. Okay, now the codes, everything is fine, and make sure you download your codes and upload it here. Let me go to that particular folder to start creating the Docker file. So I'm gonna do cd and ls, then it's going to be project 3 for me. So here I'm using the cloud build. I have done a few video, last video I did was on the cloud build. If you want, you can have a look at that, how you can create a Docker image in Google Cloud using cloud build. This is easy, very easy, guys. I'm not going to do all the description here how you can create this is just where I will have a file. So if you go to console, there's something called where you can keep your images, artifact registry, and then you have your all the Docker image and things like that inside. I already have a video in my YouTube channel how to create it, this and access this, and how you can get this path and things like that. So this is the web app name, which I'm going to create, the Docker image name and the latest versions and everything. So I'm gonna all this is here, how you create a Docker build T, and then all those command and where the image is going to go. So now I'm going to run this command. So to run that, I'm going to say it's gcloud. Let me look at whether the file is available. Yes, let me clear as well. Let's call gcloud builds with the S, and then submit, and then in our case the file name is cloud build.yaml. So this is going to create an image, guys. Okay, let me look at it. I might have put a wrong name there. Okay, just copy that name, gcloud bill. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to give submit. It has to be dash dash region. It should be US central in our case, because I'm going to upload everything to where this is where the image going to save, and then dash dash config, and then the file name, and then just run. If you want to see more on this, please go and refer my previous video. I will make sure that's available in YouTube description section as well, so that you'd watch. So it's gonna build our new image with everything, guys. So I'm not gonna wait till building here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to fast forward this bit. Okay guys, it seems to be our image is got updated here. So now what I'm going to go, we can check from the Artifit registry. Another thing, guys, I forgot important thing before. This is the image. Just if you got, you can see there's a latest version just got uploaded. And before you launch an app for anything, you need to give access to your secret. So what you can do is to your service account need to get access from here. So after going to the secret that you want to share with your service account, go to the permission section and then click on this grant access, and then you need to take your email address from secret service account, the service account that you created, and then you need to make sure that you copy paste that secret email address created from the service account, and then give the role secret manager, and you can give the accessor, and then save it. That's the correct way to do it, guys. Creating this service account, or this way is the correct way. Otherwise what you can do is from IM section you can directly add your for your service account at the principle of accessing add a role here from secret manager role from here. Secret manager, accessor. But what's going to happen is that when you add like this, it will have access to all the secret from the service account, which you should not do, guys. And then go to the Cloud Run, and then I'm going to create a service from here. I'm going to select the image. That's the image that I just uploaded. I'm going to select the latest, select, and then I'm just going to give the, I have done already video on how to launch app in Google Cloud Launch. So if you want, you can watch that video to get a better understanding of how you can create a Cloud Run service, and then just click on this create, guys. It will going to create a service for you. I'm just wanted to show here, guys, so that you can create that Docker image, and Docker image will have access to that Google BigQuery. That's the thing that I wanted to show here, rather than just saying that you will have access. It's going to take a couple of seconds, guys, in order to launch. So that my app is launched. If I click on this URI, I will see, you can see the same results, guys, here that we able to see from the Google BigQuery code earlier. If I go here, you can see the first one needs this, the value in here is the same value. So that's indicate that our service account got from secret manager. We are accessing the secret account, secret manager secret, and then giving the output. So that means our Docker image have the necessary access. That's all for this video, guys. I'm going to share all the codes and files and everything from my YouTube description section, and make sure you delete all the resources that you created now, because you don't need it anymore. So make sure that you delete your app and things like that. And other important things, guys, please have a put comments and things, anything that you want me to improve or share with you guys, any project, any area in the Google Cloud or Azure or AWS I need to cover. Just give me in the comment section. I can create video on those. And that's all on this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching.